All right, so we're out here on a very, very hot day, like 90 degrees or 95 degrees or something. But what we're doing today is we're gonna clear a path down to the river. As you can see, it's quite overgrown. So we'll clear all this out. It's not all of it, obviously, but at least the walk down, probably a little bit of this, and then a section over here. Probably too. Oh boy, I don't know how far I'm gonna go. Probably up to right about here. There's a fire pit somewhere in here, so I gotta make sure I don't hit it. I don't know where it is. It's somewhere down here. Oh, I'll probably end up hitting it, and that's when I'll find it, but that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna clear this out a little, so we have a nice spot to sit and hang out for the summer, right along the river. It's very peaceful down here, tranquil. But let me get a new battery in this guy and unload the machine, and then we'll get down here cutting. Yeah, it's quite overgrown. There's a big old tree, log. Yeah, and then this, I'm not going to be able to get down there, it's too steep, but probably clear a little of this out right here, so that we got a nice walk down there, because that's probably the best spot right there, hanging out right here. Over here maybe. I just need to bring a weed whacker for down here. But yeah, it's very, very nice over here. What is that? What the hell is that? Yeah, a lot of trash gets down here whenever the river gets high. So I imagine that's what this is, but I'll have to come grab that, cut it up, and throw it away. A little bit there too. But oh, this is kind of cool too here. This is really old. This is probably, I think it's 100 years old or 110 years old from the whenever this was Galleytown. And they had a bunch of trains going through here. There's a video. I had some old photos of it. But yeah, enough blabbing. Let's get to it. Well, it started to rain. It was getting heavy for a second. Now it's kind of lightening up, but I'm gonna have to come back tomorrow morning and do the rest of this. But I got a little bit done, and I also got to bring a bucket and a weed whacker, because I mean, you saw I was getting pretty close to the river, and I don't want to dump that thing in the river. So we'll pick up tomorrow. Be right back. Alright, so you know what, actually I think I'm gonna just call this good for right now. It's a little bit wet, and I think I cut most that I wanted anyways. I just wanted this spot right here so you could sit right here, have a campfire, watch the river, clean up the pathway a little bit coming down. Just, you know, simple stuff just for summer. Have a nice spot to hang out in the summer. But yeah, I think I'm gonna call it for now. I mean, I might come back. I cut a little bit over here yesterday. I think I cut more than I actually thought that I did. I was gonna clear this one out too, but I don't know. Maybe I will actually, but I like that spot a little bit better, and I can't really get down here to cut that stuff. So I should have just cut this little strip right here yesterday, but this is good. This is just for me to have a campfire with some friends. But yeah, we'll call it. Enjoy your weekend. See you next week. Oh, I might not have. I don't know. I'll try to do something next week. I'm going to a heart walk for my sister out in Denver. So I don't know if I'm gonna have anything put together before then. I'll try to. We'll see what I do. Maybe I'll make a part 2 if I finish cutting over there, and maybe make a little fire pit or something here. But yeah, enjoy your weekend.